And yan, so let's check our model unit here in our site.
Sir, wait lang. Bigyan lang natin. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. For today's vlog, we will feature another condominium project here in Pampanga located sa Calulud, San Fernando. And the project name is none other than Asterra, Pampanga. And together with me, si Sir.
Hi everyone, so I am Estrella, your marketing officer from the rising star in the Christmas capital of the Philippines, Asterra, San Fernando, Pampanga. And yan, so let's check our model unit here in our site.
Sir, wait lang. Bigyan lang natin ng suspense. Kasi, what's the meaning of Asterra? I believe, saan ba galing yung ano niya, sir?
Ayan po, so just a quick background since we are here in the Christmas capital of the Philippines. Asterra in Latin means stars. Ayan, so
I see.
since maraming stars dito sa Pampanga every Christmas, so we have a project named after that.
Asterra. And we would love to show you around sa model unit namin ngayon. So tara, let's go.
Ayan. So welcome to our model unit. So as of now, we are here in a 23.76 studio type unit of Asterra San Fernando, Pampanga. So it's around 6x4, sir, kung mapapansin mo. And aside from that, we also have one bedroom. Pero as of now, sir, ito muna yung model unit.
I see. And I believe this is not just a typical model unit kasi yung deliverable is similar sa mata-turnover na unit, right?
So as of now, sir, we have a promo. So furnished na po yung unit natin.
So kasama na tong dining
halos
table?
Halos lahat ng nakikita nyo, kasama
na.
So first off, we have our 4-seater dining table. Kasama na siya. Then on our toilet and bath, ayan, as you can see, we have our washing machine.
So kasama na din siya,
already
sir.
included na rin in our package. Then our refrigerator, sir, of course.
So lalamnan na lang nila, no, sir? As in,
Ayan po,
bibigyan na lang nila ng laman.
So kung ano po yung nakikita nyo dito, ito na halos yung ito-turn over sa inyo.
I believe inverter na din yung nung refrigerator kasi para at least tipid sa kuryente, no?
And of course, para makasabay, sir, sa unit natin, since this is already a smart unit. So, yun po. Meron siyang kasamang smart door lock, yung keypad type, sir.
I see.
And at the same time, we have our smart plug. So, let's say, you are living on the 7th floor, tapos naiwan mong nakasaksak yung rice cooker mo, di ba? So, you can turn it off via your mobile.
Ganun na ka-high-tech. Despite of this one is affordable, which later on, i-discuss natin.
Yeah, aside from that, no, we also have 15 inches Android. Then kasama na rin itong bed frame and mattress. And kasama na rin yung what do you call this?
Air condition. Lalo na ngayon, ang init ngayon, summer na sa Philippines, no? So, they won't worry so much kasi as in, i-install na lang yung air condition unit nila.
Ayun, sir, ang maganda pa dyan, di ba kasi it's really a hassle kapag inaakyat pa natin sa mga unit natin yung mga gamit. With this promo, wala ka nang paproblemahin kasi when the unit is delivered to you, kasama na siya. Ikaw na lang mag-aayos.
Yes. As in, titira na lang sila. Mag-move in na lang sila. It's a hassle-free for our unit owners, no?
Yeah. Ayun. And aside from that, sir, pakita na lang din natin.
Sure.
The majestic view of Mount Araya. So imagine, sir, we are on the ground floor pa lang, ha? What more pa kapag nasa higher floor ka?
Nga. So,
may limiter siya, sir. Hindi mo siya ma-full
So, yun yung majestic view of the Mount Araya.
So,
nice.
Imagine we are only on the ground floor. What more pa, sir, pag we are on the topmost floor of our building?
Nice. Ayun. And, yun nga, sir, we're very excited to discuss further a comprehensive discussion through our video podcast. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!